everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I am working on a Valentine wreath. I took down my Christmas wreath a couple weeks ago and realized I don't have a Valentine's wreath. I don't have one. So I actually bought some of this garland here. This is from, everything here is from Dollar Tree. It's 9 feet of garland. So I have this dark pink and light pink. And I figured I could do that with this. I was going to use it for something else, but you know what? I'm just going to use what I have here to make a wreath. And I have a bunch of these that I always get from Dollar Tree. These are the 14-inch wreaths that they have, wreath forms rather, from Dollar Tree. And we're going to wrap this. I figured, why not? Let's just use what we have here this time. And I really didn't want to mess with the mesh that they have at Dollar Tree anymore because it's just... it's not nice. So anyway, these are so pretty. Look at these with the pretty hearts on them and everything. I just love this. And I was going to actually decorate out in my hallway by where it goes into my living room. But, we're going to make a wreath out of it instead. So I'm going to go up to one of these crossbars here, and I'm just going to tuck this in behind here. And we are going to just hot glue that to itself so it stays. Oh, I do need finger protectors for this. Where are you guys? In my messy drawer here. And it's already got hot glue stuck to it. There we go. But you really want to put on some finger protectors for this because otherwise you can burn your fingers. You don't want to do that. So you get these at Dollar Tree. That's where they're from. So I'm just going to take a little piece of this, wrap it around that first little cross piece, and I'm just going to add a little hot glue here and just kind of glue it to itself just so it'll stay put for me. But yeah, definitely want to use the finger protectors for this. So I'm going to hold that there for a second until it cools down and sticks. And I think that should be good because now I can touch it and I'm not burning myself. So then I'm going to take this one here, and I'm also going to hook it in the same place. Hopefully I don't get it tangled up here. Alright, so then I think I'll go up to like the middle one here and put this guy through here. If I can, with these finger protectors on now. There we go. I'm just going to go up a little bit and then just, again, just attach it to itself here. And that'll hold that in place for me. And then once this cools down here, we could start wrapping it. And this is going to be really quick and easy. I'm not going to make you guys watch me wrap the whole thing. I'll just kind of show you what I'm doing and show you, you know, when I get to the end there, what I'm going to do. But I'm hoping it's going to be enough with just these two. But I think it should be. All right, so we're going to start, since this one wants to stick up here now. We are just going to come down this way with this one and pull it through carefully because these are a little delicate. You don't want to yank on them too hard or anything. There we go. So we're going to wrap that one around that way, and then we're going to pull this one up, and we're just going to alternate. Pull this one through this way. I figure if we go one through the back, one through the front, maybe I won't get them tangled up. Pull that one through here, and then we're going to pull this one over so it's, you know, let's see, which way did we go with this one? Okay, so pull that one down there, and then we're going to pull this one up onto the other side of the light pink one. And we're just going to keep alternating here. And maybe I can get this whole bunch through like that. There we go. So now we got the light pink, dark pink, and then we're going to go back around here with this light pink. This is going to be so pretty. And let me see if I can just shove this one through too like that one did. There we go. And that's it. And then I'm going to come back through with this dark pink. And then, you know, just get this one out of the way. Just keep alternating these. Yeah, this does work better if you have one coming through the front, one going through the back. So there we go. Now we have that one there. And now we're going to switch over to this one. And wrap that one around. Look how pretty that's going to be. Isn't that going to be gorgeous when the sun hits that outside It is going to be so, so pretty. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to keep wrapping here and keep alternating and shoving these through very carefully so we don't break them. And after I get this all wrapped up here, I'll come back and show you what other little decorations I decide to put on here, because I'm not sure yet. But yeah, there we go. Isn't that going to be pretty? Love it. So let me finish this up and then I will back and show you guys what it looks like. All right, that was perfect. It actually is like just enough to make this beautiful wreath. I love this. So I could probably just, I don't know, can I wrap that around one more time? Not quite, but we're going to do semi. How's that? Get our ends here. And we'll wrap this one underneath here too, just so I can secure it to the back. And you know which, you can tell which is the front and the back, because the front is more rounded and then the back kind of caves in, and then you'll have like a space here. You can like pull these apart to hang it on one of those hooks or whatever. And I am just going to glue this down here now, if I can find my other, you know, I'm always losing these. Here it is. I am forever losing these little finger protectors. All right, so let's see, where do we want to connect you to? Just right back here somewhere. It really doesn't make much difference. This stuff glues together real well because it's, you know, it's plastic and it'll just kind of melt together. Might have to trim this one off just a little bit. But let's see, let's cut this one off. It's kind of long. Don't want an end sticking out on the other side. So we'll just stick that over there. All right, that's cooled down good. And then we'll just, this one's kind of coming apart. I think we'll just glue that one to the same one. And then they'll just all be glued together there. And you won't see a thing. But yeah, this is the back because it's, you know, it has that cave in here. So I picked these out. I got these at Dollar Tree. I love these little hearts. I love the shape of them. We're just going to pluck some of them right off of there, and I'm going to glue some on here. I'm not going to add a bow because it's just so busy with all this stuff here, and it's so pretty. I don't want to cover any of it up. So I'm just going to add some of these pretty, pretty little hearts. So let's flip this guy over. Oh, I love this. All right. And let's see. I mean, there's no right or wrong way. I might want to keep up here where I glued it together to be the top. So that'll hang up on my hanger. But it really doesn't matter. But I just want to do things simple. So we're just going to pop some of these off. They come right off of these little sticks. Oh, that one kind of boogered up. Well, we'll fix it in there so you don't see it. But pull them off carefully, because apparently if you pull them off too fast, you're going to see this styrofoam. But we're going to tuck that in like right here, and you'll never know. But these are so, so pretty. And I figure we can just hot glue these on here because, you know, it's still nice and cold outside. Sometimes when it's too hot, some of these things want to try and fall off. But let's see, we'll put this one this way on the other side. And tuck that piece where you can see the styrofoam. We'll tuck that down there. And then we have some of these open hearts here, and that's going to have to get tucked too. I wonder if I have any pink. I do have a pink. I wonder if this will cover up that, it might be too dark. Oh no, that'll work. Little paint pen, magic marker, cover up that styrofoam. Well, that works good enough. I like that. Where's that other one that I messed up? Yeah, pull them off slowly when you pull them off, because I just yanked them off of there and you can see the styrofoam. All right, let's keep that out in case I need it. So I want this one up here on the top. Try to make these sort of even here. That guy there, and you could add whatever you want to. They have so many cute little things at Dollar Tree that you could add to this. You could put something in the center. I was going to do that too, but then it kind of takes away from all of this, so I'm not going to do that. Here's another one of those open hearts. Let's see if I can wiggle that off of here carefully. Maybe if I spin it around a couple times, it'll come out of there without too much damage. Nah, it's still... can see all white. I mean, well, that would have been another brilliant idea if I would just cut them off, cut the wire off, instead of pulling them off. All right, next one, that's what we're gonna do. I think of things as I go here. So we're gonna put this one down here at the bottom. And then we're just gonna add it. Oops, come back here, don't glue to the table. Oh God, which side's my glue on? There we go, whoops. Add a glue. Come here, Mr. Glue Stick. There we go. Just glue this one down the bottom. These are going to be outside on my porch, so, nobody's really going to stand there and judge my my cutting here. Let's try out these new cutters here that I have. And we're just going to try and cut some of these off instead of rowing them all. As long as I don't cut into the styrofoam. There we go. Look at that. Brilliant. The things you think of after you screw up a couple times. Let go. Oh, I got this thing stuck in here. It has one of these little alligator clips on the end of these. Alright. So yeah, definitely get your wire cutters. Just cut them off. I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't, apparently. That was the problem. I just want to get this done. I want to get it out on my porch because, Valentine's Day will be here before you know it. At least now I have a wreath and I can put this away and have it, let's see, face this way. I just love these curvy hearts. They're so cool looking. I wish they had a darker pink, like this other pink in here. That would have been really cool too. So let's see, I kind of want this guy to go this way. And this is just going to be my quick and simple wreath. I love quick and simple, guys. Now go up here. And then this one will go like this way. All right. I think we got them all on here. I think that's enough. I don't want to do any more to this because it's just so darn pretty the way it is. So I will hang this up here and I will take a nice picture of this to show you guys what it looks like hanging up. It's so pretty. And when the sun, I can't wait to put this out there because the sun hits my front porch in the morning and, with the breeze and stuff and these little things blowing around, it's gonna look so cute. But that was it. That was my quick, simple, easy Dollar Tree DIY here, guys. It was only like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe $6, $7 altogether for this really, really pretty wreath. So there you go. So anyway, like I said, I'll hang it up, take a picture, but thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy little wreath project, and I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.